Welcome in, everyone. I'm Jean.
And I'm Jennifer. And today we have what I'm sure Jean's really excited for, Minnie Mouse. And it's got, I believe, 10 different Minnie Mouses to collect. And it's the same with the Mickey Mouse. Different versions of Minnie.
Yep, so the mini head has the 2 in it, and these ones have 1 per pack.
Yep.
So I love my Mickey, but I love my Minnie.
Yes. You love Minnie because she wears pink a lot, I'm
yes.
sure. Did you want to start the Minnie
Sure,
Mouse?
I'll start Minnie, and I'm going to start up here because I'm going to leave the big one for last.
Yeah.
Okay, another easy seal.
Yeah, the bags are really easy to open.
Okay. Oh, she's praying.
Well, these ones didn't come with a checklist, but
no checklist on this one.
1950s Minnie. So she's from the diner. It looks like she's got a
I'll
little...
say for the diner. Her pink shoes, her pink bow. And she's got a blue dress on with the white apron. Well, I got some pink here. Love. Okay, put her down there, see if she'll stand. Perfect.
I'll pick... Oop.
And she knocks them all over.
Yeah. That one's going to sit there. I see some yellow peeking out.
Oh, look at that one's cute. I've never seen that one.
She is, let's see, the 1970s.
She's got her silver boots on, the go-go dancer. Orange flower, yellow dress with a yellow bow.
She is a different type of Minnie, for sure.
And she's got little flowers embossed on her dress. You might be able to see it there. She's cute. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Little purple
eyeshadow. Yep,
eyeshadow on her. Oh, cute. Well, I'll grab this one that fell over.
The one that I knocked over.
Yep. All right. These are easy to open. Uh-oh. I see we have a double. Who picked these?
The diner one. 1950s.
Put you over there.
Don't worry, because this one will be a fun one.
Not a double.
Oh, what do we have? This is an older one. And, oh, she's got a little bit of smudge on her, but she's 1930s. We could probably maybe clean her up later. 1930s, so she's one of the older ones.
I remember this one.
Yeah.
Well,
she's a classic looking one.
Wasn't born back then, but, you know. Yeah, she's cute. Let's put her over on that side. You gonna stand? We'll kind of balance her up there.
There we go.
Cute. Did this one have a limited? No, not a golden
like limited Mickey. Edition one.
Oh, well. All right, now let's get into the fun part. The cute little Mickey head, mini head. Okay, let's get the last of the plastic off for her. And again, she's like...
Just like the Mickey one that we got.
But more pink. I think this is more pink than the Mickey. This is more of a... It's hard to say. A little bit of
It's
pink.
a dark pink, but it's...
Yeah.
It comes up as red, though, on the camera.
Kind of metallic, yeah, but it's more of a pink. All right, let's pop her little head off.
Oh, and that one does come with, like, a checklist.
Yeah, we'll give you that checklist. And I'll hide these off to the side.
So it's just like the Mickey one, except for they don't give you the dates on them on the checklist.
Yeah, the date. Did you show the back? It shows the date?
Yeah. So it's Minnie through the years, of course.
And they have a date on the back. All right. Minnie in her red.
Oh, that's very classic Minnie. Yep. The 2000s Minnie.
And her little red with the white polka dots and the yellow shoes.
So the modern Minnie.
Okay, and my second one in here. You gonna stand, Minnie?
There we go.
Open it. Okay. Get out of there. So this one.
1940s Minnie.
She's got her little pink skirt on with the yellow.
And the blue bow.
Shoes, blue bow. Cute. All right, you get the last one.
Last one. I'm going to peel the plastic off. So there, I got all the plastic off, and it's just the head now. Okay. Oh, I see something. Oh. So we have a triplet.
We have a triplet. We'll leave that one in the little plastic. Okay.
But what we were both looking forward for was the hula one. So let me get her out. 1930s hula.
Look at that. Just adorbs.
That one's fun.
Adorbs. Yep, she's got
different kind of colors there for that. Yeah. It's a muted kind of color.
Kind of like, that's like that.
So you got like that and you got vibrant and...
Yeah, I'll say we could put them in order. For the 1930s again was this one. And the hula was 1930s.
Yep.
Perfect. Love them all.
Yeah, they're very cute.
We still need to collect a couple more yet, so I'm sure we'll have to get some more of those so we can collect the rest of them.
Yeah, there's still some fun ones to get yet.
Yeah. 11 all together, right? Or 10?
10.
10 all together. Mickey had 11.
Yep.
Different kinds. Well, I sure enjoyed this one again. You know,
that was
love
fun.
My
They
Minnie.
were cute.
Yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Come back and see us again.
Thank you for watching.
Bye
now.
everyone.